Is there a line? Let's see. Oh my gosh, this might be a really short chit chat. Y'all, this never happens. Wow. Well, I was going to start chatting, but let me order my coffee quickly. Hold on just a second. It looks like it would be nice out, but y'all, it is 24 degrees. It's freezing. It's freezing cold. So I'm back in my Starbucks line, getting my coffee on my way to work. I don't know what's happening with my hair today. Just bear with me for a minute. It's looking pretty rough. So I've got some exciting news that I wanted to talk to you guys about. As you know, we are in the middle of 12 days of Vlogmas, which is me putting out a video every single day, which has been, I think that if I didn't have 2 jobs outside of the house and outside of this YouTube channel, it would have still been like, oh my God, I want to pull my hair out. But on top of 2 jobs, I'm like, oh my God, I want to pull my hair out. YouTube is difficult. It is hard. So if you are a fellow YouTuber, influencer, my hat's off to you. I need to give you a big applause because it is no joke. It is no joke. Networking and posting and editing and all of that stuff. I'm not prepared. Hold on. So I lost my train of thought. I'm not off to a great start today, guys. I'm not off to a great start. Ugh. My coffee will help. It'll help re-trigger my brain. So anyways, I wanted to chat with you guys a little bit about some changes that I'm going to be doing to my channel, and I hope that you guys like the changes that are going to be coming out and enjoy.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Enjoy the videos that are going to be coming out. But I've realized that just like everything else, every other job I do, I've got to add some structure to my life, and this YouTube is no different. For me, I function better on structure and procedure and protocols. That's my life. That's my lifestyle. I have, 3 planners and calendars, and I just function better in that way. So, while YouTube is a great creative outlet for me, I've got to add some structure back into it so I don't lose my mind. So what I am going to be doing is I am going to be uploading 3 videos a week. This is more than what I've ever done, except in this Vlogmas part of my YouTube adventures. I'm going to be doing 3 videos a week for you guys, and one is obviously going to be my Starbucks chit chats, because I think those are great. I love connecting with you guys and chatting with you. I think it's a great way for us to connect, so I'm going to be doing those. I'm going to be doing a clean with me of some sort. I'm not sure what, but it will be a clean with me because I know you guys love those as well. And then the other one is just going to be a vlog style video upload. So just kind of what's going on in our lives, and, a vlog style with Sean and Sophia and whatever else we've got going on. So that's my big announcement. 3 videos, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I will be coming out with every single week. I hope that you guys enjoy them, and let me know where you're watching from, because if it's warmer than 24 degrees, you, my friend, are having a better day than me, because it is brutal out here. And I need to get a hat. I need to find my gloves, and I don't know. I just need a blanket around me constantly because I don't do cold very well. And I've lived in the Midwest my entire life, so I'm used to cold, but it doesn't make it any better. I'm still miserable in the winter. So I'm gonna hop off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sydney, and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.